In this video, we will explore some common kitchen plumbing problems encountered by homeowners in Calgary and provide solutions to fix them. Whether you're dealing with a leaky faucet, clogged drain, or low water pressure, we've got you covered with practical tips and tricks. A leaky faucet is not only annoying but can also lead to wasted water and increased utility bills. In this scene, we will show you how to diagnose the cause of the leak and guide you through the steps to fix it. From replacing faulty washers to tightening loose connections, you'll learn the techniques to stop that drip once and for all. Dealing with a clogged kitchen sink drain can disrupt your daily routine and make washing dishes a nightmare. But fear not, as we share effective methods to unclog your drain using simple household items. From using a plunger to making a DIY drain cleaner, you'll regain the smooth flow of water in no time. If you've ever experienced weak water pressure while trying to wash dishes or fill a pot, you know how frustrating it can be. In this scene, we will uncover the common causes of low water pressure in the kitchen and provide step-by-step solutions to resolve the issue. From cleaning aerators to checking for hidden leaks, you'll learn the secrets to restoring strong water flow. Prevention is always better than dealing with plumbing problems later. In this final scene, we will share some preventive maintenance tips to keep your kitchen plumbing in top shape. From regular cleaning to being mindful of what you pour down the drain, these simple practices will help you avoid common issues and save you from future headaches.